कश्मीर से कन्याकुमारी तक, गुजरात से बंगाल तक, राजस्थान से कर्नाटक तक और उत्तराखंड से गोवा तक चारों तरफ हरियाली ही हरियाली है।
पहाड़ पे पेड़, पहाड़ पे पेड़, पेड़ की टहनियाँ, और हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर, हरियाली इधर उधर।
हमारी इस हरियाली को बनाने का श्रेय जिस हस्ती को जाता है उनका नाम है श्रीपद एस नागकर्णी सर।
Mr. Nadkarni sir, he is our course coordinator and also a father figure who takes care of all the students, though we are not young students of course, but still he takes care of all of us, and he is now taking us all to Garud Machi, a tour program for management people. Can you please guide us, sir?
Garud Machi is a beautiful place in the midst of mountain. It's a plateau surrounded by mountains, and basic purpose of taking there is that you can have a lot of outdoor sessions there, which will help you in team building. Lot of different activities will be taken there, which will help you knit better as a unit and will make the entire exercise very enjoyable.
Hello everybody. This is a very special dedication which I have made for our dear Nadkarni sir. It is in 3 parts. The first part is my very own composition which I have made specially for today, and it is in English. The second part is a goodbye song in Konkani, he knows very well. And the third part is a very popular Hindi song, which is also a goodbye song. So here goes. Today is the day we say goodbye to you. Farewell, my friend, may God be with you. Remember, retirement it's not the end of the road, it's just the beginning of surprises untold. We've had the best days of our life along with you. Your cheerful, happy face will always shine through. We've had the best days of our life along with you. Your cheerful, happy face will always shine through. Cheerful, happy face will always shine through.
Friends, you can see the group of the General Management Program who had come here for the 2-day training at Garud Machi, which is, the training is conducted by High Places. You can see the smiles on their faces because this 2-day experience helps them in building teams through outdoor exercises, brings the inner talent in them.
This is a nice experience from 40 feet height. I'm climbing down at the 4th floor.
You can sing also.
Yes.
You can leave both the hands also.
A pretty bird. Hey, atta gaya mera. Respected Sir Nadkarni sir and my dear Haryali friends. Sir, today we are all wishing you a very happy retired life. We are very proud and we are very thankful that you are a part of our Haryali group. I am more fortunate because I have known you as Senior Divisional Manager, Satara Division, our NIA course coordinator of course, and EDA and OS. With all the pressure on you, still you maintain a very, very serene face, a very calm face and a very wonderful smile. All the pressure you handle so easily and you meet all of us so warmly. Sir, we wish you have the same calm and peace after your retired life, and wish you a very happy, healthy, retired life from on behalf of all the Haryali group. Thank you, sir. Thanks once again.
I still really find it difficult to believe about your superannuation. Hearty congratulations to you on your retirement, and it has been a privilege really working with you, and now it's an honor to send this message. You are a true inspiration with your cheerful, active, honest and industrious attitude, and the way you call me madam itself really reflects on the dignity of your personality. And you are the first person to whom I encountered in NIA in the year 2014. You are very humble and down to earth personality. These two are the real learnings from you that I have taken. We definitely need someone like you, sir, who is always encouraging, who is insightful, analytical, and above all, always willing to help us. You are the true mentor, I should say. Goodbye to you, sir, from the organization, but not from our hearts. And my best wishes for second innings in your life. You're going to begin a great chapter, a new chapter. For that, my best wishes to you.
Adeus corso veru Paulo emoje Taris refaf sota Espiriru corcha vera o sonsar na casodi sota Espiriru corcha vera o sonsar na casodi sota o suosre dorunaka Devu feliz cortolo tuca o suosre dorunaka Devu feliz cortolo tuca
आपके नए जीवन की शुरुआत के लिए हमारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हमेशा रहेंगी। आपके साथ हम लोग ने आपके संरक्षण में बहुत अच्छा पल NIA में बिताया, जिसको ना हम कभी भूल पाते हैं और ना कभी भूल पाएंगे। हमारा हरियाली ग्रुप आज भी इस बात की मिसाल है कि हम लोग पूरी तरह से उसमें एक्टिव हैं और आपके साथ एक्टिव हैं। थैंक यू सर, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी, हेल्दी एंड prosperous life ahead. Thank you, sir.
As we know that today our most beloved and honorable Nadkarni sir is retiring, and on this occasion we wish him all the best for his new chapter that will begin.
चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा न कहना कभी अलविदा न कहना चलते चलते मेरे गीत याद रखना कभी अलविदा न कहना कभी अलविदा न कहना रोते हंसते बस यूं ही तुम गुनगुनाते रहना कभी अलविदा न कहना कभी अलविदा न कहना कभी अलविदा न कहना कभी अलविदा न कहना We will surely miss you in the office, but you will be in our hearts forever.